Hello, 7th graders and 7th grade parents and guardians. I'm here today to talk to you about your 8th grade scheduling options for next year. I'm going to discuss the graduation requirements because you can begin earning high school credit with a few of the classes that you can take in 8th grade. I'm also going to discuss your other scheduling options that are available for next year. This is the Michigan Merit Curriculum, which is what Utica Community Schools follows for graduation requirements. You will need 4 years of English, 4 years of math, 3 years of science, 3 years of social studies, 1 year of a visual performing or applied arts credit, 1 year of health and gym, which is a half credit each, and 2 years of a world language. Out of these classes, world language can count in 8th grade towards your high school graduation. One thing to keep in mind if you do take Spanish 1, French 1, or German 1 is that it now will start your high school GPA. Previously, people would just get credit when they took that in 8th grade, but now it is going to be an actual grade and it will count for your GPA. Other classes that will count for your high school GPA are Algebra 1, Geometry or Accelerated Geometry, and AP Human Geography, which is an elective. This is the 8th grade required curriculum. Everybody will choose between English 8 and Accelerated English 8. Your math class will be automatically selected for you based on the math class that you took this year. If you took Math 7, you will go into Math 8. If you took Advanced Math 7, you will go into Algebra 1. And if you already took Algebra 1, you will go into Accelerated Geometry. All students will take Science 8, and then again you'll have a choice between United States History or Accelerated United States History. The descriptions for all classes offered at the junior high level can be found on our UCS website, www.uticak12.org, then click on Academics, click on Secondary, and then click on Student Curriculum Guides. So electives and core classes can be found there to get the descriptions. If you are unsure about which English or history class to sign up for, a good person to ask would be your current 7th grade English teacher or geography teacher. They know the workload and they would be able to tell you your abilities. Once again, the student curriculum guides that give the descriptions of all of the classes that are offered can be found on the district website, again, uticak12.org, Academics, Secondary, and Student Curriculum Guides. Here is a list of full year elective choices for 8th graders. Keep in mind that World Language and AP Human Geography do start your high school GPA. You will see these semester-long classes listed on your scheduling form. The classes with an asterisk cannot be taken in 8th grade if they were already taken in 7th grade. So for example, if you took Intro to Art in 7th grade, you can't take it again in 8th grade. Other classes can be repeated, such as vocal music, PE8, and PE8 is different than PE7 in that there's no health component, it's just a gym class for the entire semester. And again, other descriptions can be found on the district website. A few things that we wanted to point out while you're choosing your electives is that schedules must be approved by your parent or guardian. 8th grade students are going to have 2 hours of electives first semester and second semester, so you could end up having 2 full year electives that you select, or 4 semester long electives, or 1 full year and 2 semester long electives. But however you mix and match, you'll have 2 electives each semester. When you're filling out your scheduling form, you will enter your 2 hours worth of classes that you want to take, and then you're also going to pick 2 hours of backup choices. When the master schedule is made, it is made based on the selections that students choose during the scheduling process. So if 35 kids want a class and 30 kids want this other class, they'll make one section of each of those classes. Whereas if 45 kids want a class, they'll make 2 sections of it. So it's not possible to change classes later on because the schedule is built according to what the students select. Also, some of the classes that you select, if there's not enough interest, it might not run. Also, if you choose an accelerated course, which your choices are Accelerated English 8, Accelerated U.S. History, and AP Human Geography, if you choose one of those, you will not be able to drop it during the school year because it is a commitment, and the schedule, again, is built around the amount of students who sign up for something, so it's not possible to drop it during the year. So keep in mind that these classes require more homework, study time. They go deeper into the course content and sometimes move at a faster pace. Again, they could ask their current geography or English teacher if they're not sure if they should be signing up for the regular or the accelerated. That would be a good person to get some advice from. I do want to point out that there is a difference between accelerated courses and advanced placement courses. You can take accelerated English and U.S. history, but advanced placement human geography is college level and it will count towards graduation credit. The grade will be counted in the GPA. You can get over a 4.0 because it is an advanced placement class if you do that well. Students are expected to take the exam in May that can possibly earn them college credit depending on the score that they get on it. And one of the reasons for taking this is that studies show that students who participate in at least one AP course are more successful in college and more likely to complete college. However, our district does offer a large number of AP classes that can be taken in grades 9 through 12. So there will be plenty of opportunities if you don't take this AP class in 8th grade. Here are some things we want you to keep in mind if you are considering taking a world language in 8th grade. UCS offers Spanish, French, and German. And again, keep in mind that it is a graduation credit and it will start your student's high school GPA. As you know, the requirement for graduation is 2 years of world language, but we do want you to know that there are substitution options available for the second year of a world language, and the information for that is on the UCS website. Also, keep in mind that different colleges have different requirements. So if you are considering substituting the second year of world language for something else, you do want to check college websites of the colleges that your child might be interested in attending to see what kind of requirements they have regarding foreign language.
UCS has produced a separate video detailing the process of entering your choices into PowerSchool. It is available on the UCS website. If you have any questions regarding scheduling, please reach out to your junior high counselor.